Here's how to fix Android File Manager. Now, if you're on your Android phone, in this case I'm on a Samsung, and your File Manager app is not working, I'll show you how to get it fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you can do is tap and hold the power button and hit restart, or swipe down from the top right and tap on that power button to restart. Now, this sounds simple, but a lot of times just restarting your phone will fix a lot of issues. But if that doesn't, let's head into your settings, and this definitely will. So once you're in your settings, let's scroll down until you get to the section for apps and tap on that. Now from here, we're going to just scroll down until we find the Files or My Files app, depending on what it is on your phone. Again, on an Android Samsung Galaxy, it's the My Files app. Now there are a couple different things we'll do within here. The first one was we'll tap on My Files settings at the very top. Now you can see a new version of My Files is available. So just tap on the Update button and then Update to basically go into the Galaxy Store in this case and just update to the latest version of the My Files app. Now see if that works for you. If that doesn't work for you, the next thing we will do is scroll down and tap on Storage. We're going to clear the cache on here and clear the data as well. After we've done that, basically clear the cache and data, we'll go back and hit the Force Stop button at the bottom right and hit OK. And now finally what we'll do here at the top right is tap the three dots and hit Uninstall Updates and OK. This will bring us back to the old version of that Files app, and all you need to do is just update it to the latest version. Again, in this case, go to the My Files settings, and eventually it will pop up with, hey, you need to update it, or you can go back into the Galaxy Store here and tap on Update. Now, after you go through all of these steps, if it still doesn't work, the last thing I would recommend doing is going into the just general apps section here, tapping on the three dots at the top right, hitting Reset App Preferences, and then just hit the Reset button and you'll be good to go. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.